Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I will try not to get too wordy here. I actually worked already on a pair of Channellock pliers. I don't know if you recall, those of you who watch my channel, several videos back I worked on some Channellocks that belonged to my father, and they were really bad shape. They were ones that I used for pulling things out of acid and just really nasty work, and fixed them all up, and I was really happy with how they turned out. And then the other day I was going through this box that I have with tools that are beyond repair, or presumably, and I found a pair of Channellocks in there. I went, hey, I forgot I had these. And so I thought that would make a good project, and I got started on them and realized that I cannot take them apart because they are riveted in such a fashion that I can't undo a bolt or anything like that. And granted, if I had more skill, I could probably fashion some new thing, but I don't have a lathe or any of that stuff. So I probably took these a little too far. But in any case, whatever. I'm gonna use these as a replacement for those other ones because I don't want to mess up those other ones. These I don't mind messing up. However, if you'd like, you can watch the following video and you can see what I did to at least make it decent. Let's go. Okay, that's it. These things are fantastic in terms of usability. They don't look as good as they could, that's for sure. But I'm tired of working on them. You know, it's been a crazy week, and I'm ready to just put this aside and start something new. You know, like I got a screwdriver back there that's bent, and I got a new press, and they're screaming to get together. So that'll probably be next. Anyway, hey, thank you guys very much for watching. We'll see you next time.